Hey, what's up everybody? It's Green Hill here, just on the latest project. So right now we're working on someone's front lawn, actually a client's front lawn. We're just going to be digging out a garden for them actually. So I'll just give you a quick look of what's going on. So this is going to be the border area of the garden. Yeah, and there you go. So this is basically in the middle of their front lawn. We're gonna dig everything out, clean everything out, and we're gonna have a brand new garden made for them here shortly. Alright, we're gonna start her up. Hey, what up? It's Green Hill here. We're just at the halfway part of our project right now. So you can see we dug everything out, and we still got the middle left to dig. And right there today, this is the tool of the trade. And there you go. Like I said, we ain't playing no games out here. Blowing on some heavy smoke. And I'll show you guys the rest of the project when it's finished.